back, everyone. Here we are again, continuing on this little road project for the village people here. And yesterday they brought in supposedly 4 loads of gravel, but I don't know why. It sure looks like it's more. So because we got that over here and we got all this over here. So yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I'll find out pretty soon. There might be half loads or something that they spread out. It could be. Anyway, this will be the end of it because the funds have run out, and they had enough yesterday for 4 loads. So that's what we're here today to go and pay the guy if we can find him. And yeah, I wanted to say thanks a million, all those people that donated. That was so thoughtful of you guys to do this for this little village. It's they're so happy about this because it was very dangerous before. And so yeah, I tip my hat to you guys. You're awesome. Thanks again for all the donations you made. And yeah, so we did get the worst part done on this road. So we might be able to talk maybe the mayor into coming out here with a grader and see if he'll, we're going to approach him about it anyway, because that would really help with the parts that we didn't do. But yeah, so anyway, I just want to thank all those people and up there that made a difference with these people. You got a good heart. Love you all. And thanks again for everything, man. That was awesome. It was really fun to do this project. I didn't mind it at all, coming back and forth here all the time. It's nice to go for an ATV ride in the wilderness out here. It's beautiful out here. People are asking, well, how much money did we raise? Well, we raised about $3,100, mostly Canadian, but like 90% of it was Canadian. And then we had a few people that gave US funds. But yeah, so $3,100 is what it worked out to. And it bought, I think, about 16 loads of gravel, dump truck loads, plus the piping we did. And we got the backhoe guy here once. So yeah, that did it. This is what $3,100 gets you. And yeah. So anyway, yeah, we did pretty good. So and the village people are so happy anyway. And so I guess I don't know what day they're coming out here now to spread this all out. Or maybe they're going to want to get a backhoe guy now. Everyone, you know, just when I thought that video was finished there, I was recording yesterday. We get home and then we get a message saying that the backhoe guys showed up and with the mayor. And what they did was they spread all the gravel, as you can see. They did it by hand as well with the backhoe operator, and he got it all done up to there, and which is the worst part of the road. And yeah, so we're gonna see what happens here. Did a pretty good job. So yeah, anyway, this is the end of the road repairs. The funds are out, and everything is looking better, a lot better. I know the locals are really happy about this, so, and any way we can help them out, the better. Anyway, thank you all a million again for all your donations. It really made a big difference with these people, and God bless you all. Thank you.